With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this question is given that if u vector is given by u1 I cap plus u2 j cap and it is a unit vector in xy plane and w vector is given by 1 upon root 6 I plus j plus 2k cap, given that there exists a vector v in R3, okay, says that magnitude of u cross v is given 1 and w dot u cross v is given also 1. Then 4 conditions are given, we need to check which of the condition is true. Okay, so let's add both the condition. Here it is given that u cross v magnitude it is equals to 1. Okay, so this is cos squared, so we know formula for cos squared, it will be u vector magnitude of v vector and cross, so sine theta is the angle between u and v, it is equals to 1. Now one more condition is given to us. What is given? It is given that w dot u cross v vector, okay, this whole expression is equals to 1. Okay, so let's solve this. Here I am having dot product, so what I'll write here, magnitude of first vector, magnitude of second vector, that will be u cross v. We have considered it as a single vector, and I am having dot product here, so dot means cos alpha. Alpha is the angle between w and u cross v, it is equals to 1. Okay, now put the value. So let's find the magnitude of w vector here. Magnitude of w vector will be given by root under, here I am having I coefficient is 1, so 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 2 square will be 4, and in multiplication I am having 1 upon root 6. So this is root 6 and 1 upon root 6, so magnitude of w will be equals to 1. Okay, now put value back here. So here magnitude of w is 1, magnitude of u cross v it is also given equals to 1. You can see here in the question. So from here cos alpha value will be equals to 1. Okay, so cos alpha value equals to, cos is 1 at 0 degree, so cos 0 here. So from here alpha will be equals to 0. Alpha is equals to 0 means angle between w vector and u cross v vector is 0. Okay, suppose this is vector u, this is vector v. Let me mark this vector v, this is vector u. So here I will get u cross v vector. Okay, and since angle between w and u cross v is 0, so w will be also like this. Okay, it will be along u cross v. So what does it indicate? It indicates that w vector is perpendicular to plane containing u and v vector. Okay, so it is perpendicular to plane containing u and v, and we know that whenever a vector, single vector, is perpendicular to plane containing two other vectors, so that vector is given by, let me write here, vector, it is given by cross product of two vector u cross v and divided by magnitude of their cross product u cross v magnitude. Okay, so let's find the value of u cross v. Let me write u and v vector first. So this is u vector, v vector is not given to us, so we will consider this as v1 I cap plus v2 j cap plus v3 k cap. Okay, now we need to find the cross product here. Let's find it. We know how to find cross product. Here I will write I cap, here j cap, and here I will write k cap. Okay, now put the coefficient here, u1 I cap, so u1, and u2 for j cap, and k cap is not present, so 0. So here I will write v1, v2 and v3 for vector v. So let's find this. It will be I cap u2 v3 minus 0, so no need of writing this, minus j cap, it will be u1 v3 minus 0, so again no need of writing this, plus k cap. Here I will write u1 v2 minus u2 v1. Okay, and this is value of what? This is value of u cross v vector. Okay, u cross v. Now put the value back here. Let me write this equation again. W vector, it is equals to u cross v vector and divided by magnitude of u cross v. Okay, now let me put the values here. So here I have used the value, w vector is given to us, so I have written w vector here. Okay, u cross v I have calculated above, so this is the value of u cross v, this whole, and u cross v magnitude is given to us in the question, that is equals to 1. You can see here u cross v vector magnitude value is 1, so that's why no need of writing 1 in denominator. Okay, so now compare coefficient of I with I, j with j, and k with k. So from here 1 by root 6, it will be equals to, coefficient of I here is u2 v3. Similarly, coefficient of j is u1 v3. It will be equals to, since I am having negative sign here, so minus 1 upon root 6. Now coefficient of k cap, it will be u1 v2 minus u2 v1, it will be equals to 2 by root 6. Okay, so if I'll shift this minus to other side, so it will be plus and it will be minus here. Okay, so 1 by root 6 is value of this expression and 1 by root 6 is value of this expression also. So we can equate these two expression. So minus of u1 v3, it is equals to u2 v3, and both value are equals to 1 upon root 6. That why we have equated them. Okay, so here you can see v3 gets cancelled with v3, so u1 negative u1, it will be equals to u2 here. Okay, now look here, options all are in mod, or we can say magnitude. So if I'll put mod both the side, this will be also positive, so u1 it is equals to mod of u2. So that's our answer. So let's match it with option u1 is equals to u2 magnitude. So you can see option 1, u1 is equals to u2 magnitude. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.